people. This is my sixth video of the day, and right now um, I'm going to be reviewing one of the very it's from my Telugu segment audience. Not that I have too much of an audience in the first place, but all the same. So this is for this for all the Anushka Shetty fans in particular, because was this movie called Chintakaya Ravi that was released, let's say, a decade ago. Yeah, but like I said, this particular segment is all about reviewing films that have been cult films. So this movie, I found the pairing of Venkatesh, the Telugu actor, and Anushka to be like very cute. I mean, like, I think they're very well suited for each other. But of course, Prabhas Anushka fans will object, I guess. But I found this pairing also really cute, and music was nice. And for me personally, I think Anushka Shetty looked. I mean, I just love her in these avatars where she's a modern, normal, pretty young lady as compared to all the mythological characters that she usually plays, like Rudrama Devi or Arundhati, Bhagamati. So I prefer her to be size zero also. Honestly, I felt she kind of got exploited in that film. Sorry for saying it so, but I don't know, I didn't like putting on weight for a role. I don't know, yeah, it calls for that level of commitment. So hats off to her. But this movie, I would give it easily a 3-star rating because it is so cute. And so, people, in case you haven't watched it, just YouTube is the one place to watch, catch up on all the nice movies that you missed out on. Beautiful music, amazing star cast. It's one of truly nice special Telugu movies that you should watch, and more so if you are an NRI or you want to, it gives a very nice glimpse of America. So it's beautiful. So go watch it, people, and you'll be happy that you did. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.